Hello Cuxton, it's Mrs Mulholland here and I'm here to deliver your assembly today. It's not a very long assembly, so I have set a little task for you to do just before you go home at the end of the day if you're in school, or just before you sign off if you're at home. Today's assembly is all about the Year 3 and 4 fundraising event. So, what are we doing it for and when are we going to do it? We will be raising money to improve our outdoor learning environment, as this is one of our main school priorities for the year, to promote our outdoor learning and to make sure we give you as many opportunities as we can to learn outside of the classroom and explore, which is one of our school values. With the weather becoming a little bit nicer soon, I know today hasn't been that nice, but the weather is going to turn nice soon, fingers crossed. We thought it would be great to get more resources to help us learn in our lessons outside. We would like to share a video for our charity event, our fundraising event, with you for the last week of term. Now, I'm going to share. So what did Year 3 and 4 want to do as a fundraising event? Do you think you might know? We want to do a fitness session in fancy dress. A bit like what Mr. Bilton did the other day, but we want to go a little bit bigger. So, we might dress up as a superhero, a princess, stickman, snowman, Harry Potter, Cat in the Hat, or any other amazing costumes that you have. And we're going to create a video, and we want you guys to join in your fancy dress costumes as well. Because, well, why not? A bit of fun. And hopefully we can raise a lot of money as well in the process of doing that. We want to create a family fun fancy dress fitness session. So due to Workout Wednesdays being very, very popular, Tom made me put that bit in, some of the children in Year 3 and 4 had the idea of creating a longer fitness session with the twist of dressing up, and thought it would be a good idea to raise money for the school by asking families to donate. What could we buy with the money? Now, I've asked 3 children in my class, what could we do with the money that we raise? Listen to their ideas and see if you agree that they are a good idea. So, number 1. What things could we buy with the money that we raise that would make our learning outside even better?
We could use clipboards to hold all the work that we did outside together, and maybe some chalk to do some doodles on the ground.
And to maybe practice things like your spellings and numbers and things like that. Brilliant, thank you. Okay, idea number 2.
Resources for the summer shed, big measuring sticks for wheel ones.
Oh, that sounds good.
To see how big an area is.
Yeah.
What about speakers or an outdoor projector?
What, so having a classroom, like a real classroom outside?
Yeah.
And you can watch videos and listen to music whilst you're working outside? What a fabulous idea. And finally, number 3. What could we buy with the money that we raise to make our outdoor learning even better?
We can have wheelbarrows and shovels.
Oh, and what would we do with wheelbarrows and shovels then?
We could dig holes in them, we can put our plants in them.
Ah, and learn how to look after our environment and learn how to look after plants and things like that? What a brilliant idea. 3 very different ideas, but 3 very good ideas as well. So I think you're probably thinking, how would it actually work? So what we would do is send a letter out or an email to your parents soon with more information about how they can donate some money. The adults in school are going to stay behind one evening to create a fun workout video in fancy dress along with some music. Once the video is made, we'll create a link for you to be able to access it at home, either on your iPads or on your phone, or if some of you are lucky enough, maybe even watch it through your TV if you have a smart TV. And you can join in with our video as well in your fancy dress. You can do it on your own, with your siblings, or as a family, and we would love to see your photos. I know some of the children in my class have said that they've been doing some of their PE lessons and their dogs have even been joining in. Would love to see some more pictures of that. The link for the video will be active for the last week of school, and you can watch it as many times as you like. So, this is our vision, and this is what we're expecting or hoping for it to look a bit like. Now, I just found that on the web and I thought it was quite funny, but I just know in true Cuxton style, we are going to do something amazing and 10 times, 20 times, 1,000 times better than that. So your activity now, what I would like you to do is, can you think of a list of things that we could buy to enhance our outdoor learning environment so we know exactly what our money is going to go towards? If you're in school, as a class, make a list and your teacher will share your answers with us and email it in. If you're at home, maybe share a couple of ideas with your parents and then they can email it into your teacher, who will let us know in school your thoughts and ideas. Fingers crossed we can raise a lot of money so we can get as much of the things on your list as we can. Really looking forward to these ideas, guys, and I would like to say that I'm looking forward to videoing the exercise video, but I don't really think I am. Well, in a way I am, but in another way I'm not. It'll be fun, I'm sure. Cannot wait to hear from you, see from you, and I'm really, really looking forward to our Cuxton video that we can create with all of your fab photos of you working out in your fancy dress. Speak to you soon. Stay safe. Bye.